sir. Myself, Shivam Rajput, and my teammates also. His name is also Shivam Mitra. So I am from group number 20, and my topic is AI powered data anonymization and modification for secure data resale. As said, data anonymization is the process of modifying or removing personal identifiable information from a data set. Means it is used to change it is used to change the personal information from the data set. As today's world industry, data is very useful for further growth and data selling is booming. So the challenges in data resale is privacy, as the data contains names, phone numbers, or any details. And the other challenge is global regulations. Sir, the government gives some regulations that we have to obey before reselling the data. To ensure that we have to use, we are uh, designing a new uh, AI-driven anonymization system. So, can we move to the next slide? Yes, sir. So, our phase one is data collection. So, we collect the data from the client or from any available databases. Then we are using LLM based model. So, we are using LLM for the data anonymization process. And phase three is system deployment and compliance testing. We are using BERT based compilation to check the uh, rules that the data is having. And last is evaluation and optimization to validate model accuracy and privacy and scalability. So please continue.
Phase one,
So
we will be collecting data, creating diverse data sets. Also, we will be using pre-existing LLM models such as BERT. Uh, then in AI LLM model based, the input text will be potentially sensitive information. We'll study about that. That initial analysis will be done by the LLM model. Then we will do entity identification. That is the detection of sensitive information such as names, personal details, DOBs, or any personal IDs. Then context preservation will be done. Then we will convert them into anonymous forms by simply replacing them with hashtags or star marks, and then anonymized text will be available. Here is a proposed methodology diagram. So in phase 3 we will be deploying that model. Also we will be we will be implementing llama because it is a open source free source. In phase 4, we will be evaluating and optimizing the results of the LLM through data utility metrics, compliance scalability metrics, and optimization. We will fine tune for the anonymization of the text. So yeah, in conclusion, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, so Shivam, like basically, you worked with NER models before? Hmm? Shivam?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have worked with NLP. I know how tokenization and all that works,
Mm-hmm.
but I have not deployed on large scale and something like that.
Don't skip to deployment. Have you like used any NER model? It's called named entity recognition model.
Yes, sir.
You were
No,
talking about
properly not
NLP
used it,
before,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so there is a particular model itself. It's called named entity recognition, but that is also becoming old school. What you do nowadays is you do a JSONic extraction using LLMs,
Okay, sir.
using a
Okay,
sliding
sir.
window protocol, and that's how you like get authentic data and structured data from potentially unstructured or unstructured elements like text or images and all. So your main is only text. So for text itself, you use like NER models, which you can fine tune to extract a particular set of information, or you can use the like LLMs for JSONic extraction.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so try to implement the NER models, and NER models you will have to fine tune for a specific use case. So it will be fine tuned for a particular output set from any kind of input. It will try to find those elements and give that an output. Then you can create your tables and do the anonymization.
Okay, sir.
And which LLM are you targeting to use?
Sir, I was first thinking about using BERT, but now I am using Olama.
Olama. Olama is the interface, right? Which LLM in that?
So,
Try to use Llama 3.1. It gives you a particular function itself for JSONic extraction. So you can give out the parameters for whatever you want in response. It will kind of search for that and give you that in a JSON format.
sir, sir, I have a doubt, but Llama 3.1 is basically used for larger enterprises.
You can use a 7 billion model, right? That's quite basic. The first one. It's
Okay,
1.5
sir.
only.
Okay, sir.
You can just you can just go to Olama's page and then search for the different model like parameters by sizes. You'll get the first one.
Okay, sir.
Mm, I just wanted to ask basically again, how are you making sure that the data is basically safe for resale, or basically making sure it's basically private data useful? And another question like, what are the have you thought about the limitations like for privacy laws, etc? Hello.
Yes, you're audible,
No,
Ankit.
sir, I have
Mm,
not
Please
thought
answer.
about that.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Just look into these things because see, the project is in itself not that big, but you have to take care of the nitty-gritties so that it can function properly and be good functional research. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much, Shivam, for the presentation.